Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a neon light sign in Photoshop. Type your text in a rounded font like neon tubes, open layer style and selective outer glow. Choose a bright color like pink, blue or green. Set blend mode to the linear dodge and also increase the spread to create a strong neon aura. Add inner glow for the tube internal lighting. Use bevel and emboss to simulate depth and also adjust the shadow and highlight for realism. Add a faint drop shadow for a glow on wall effect. Duplicate the text for extra brightness. Lower the second layer opacity slightly. Now your neon sign glow like a real